1. Close-up of a human brain cross-section with the limbic system glowing in warm orange light deep inside, surrounded by cooler blue prefrontal cortex regions. Camera slowly rotates around the 3D model as neural pathways pulse with electrical signals. Clinical medical visualization style, 4K detail, dramatic side lighting. 2. Wide shot of a person lying in bed at dawn, eyes open, staring at the ceiling. Soft morning light filtering through curtains. The person's hand grips the blanket tightly, body completely still. Camera holds steady for 5 seconds, showing the internal negotiation before movement. Cinematic realism, muted color palette, intimate framing. 3. Split-screen comparison. Left side shows someone waiting on a couch, phone in hand, looking unmotivated and slumped. Right side shows the same person mid-action, jogging outdoors, face showing effort but engaged. Transition between the two states happens as a smooth morph. Natural lighting, documentary style, authentic human expression. 4. Macro shot of synapses firing in sequence, neurotransmitters crossing the synaptic gap in slow motion. Dopamine molecules rendered as golden particles, traveling between neurons. Scientific accuracy with artistic beauty, dark background with bioluminescent neural activity, electron microscope aesthetic enhanced for clarity. 5. Bird's eye view of a person's morning routine, time-lapse style. Alarm goes off. Person sits up mechanically, feet hit floor, walks to bathroom. All movement showing the automatic sequence without pause or hesitation. Clean, minimal bedroom environment. Overhead tracking shot, smooth motion, neutral tones. 6. Conceptual animation of 2 pathways in the brain. One pathway shows emotions as red warning signals trying to block a gate. The other pathway shows actions as blue signals bypassing the gate entirely through a different neural route. Abstract but clear visual metaphor, 3D rendered, dark space with glowing circuit-like pathways. 7. Close-up of hands gripping a laptop keyboard, frozen in hesitation. Camera slowly pushes in on the tense fingers. Then sudden release as fingers begin typing. Shallow depth of field, dramatic lighting from screen glow, capturing the microsecond between paralysis and action. Moody cinematography, high contrast. 8. Wide shot of a gym at 6 a.m., mostly empty. One person enters frame, sets down bag, begins workout routine with mechanical precision, no phone checking, no hesitation between exercises, natural gym lighting, handheld camera following the flow of movement, gritty realism. 9. Animated diagram of the basal ganglia forming habit loops. Shows a circular pathway that starts wide and loose, then with each repetition the circle becomes tighter, brighter, more defined. Visual representation of neural pathway, strengthening through repetition. Educational animation style, clean graphics, purposeful color coding. 10. POV shot of someone opening a laptop to face a dreaded document. Camera shows the screen with the document title visible. Hands hover over keyboard, small action of just scrolling down one page. Camera holds on this minimal victory. First-person perspective, authentic workspace setting, natural afternoon light. 11. Side profile shot of a person sitting alone in a dim room, face showing low affect, body language closed. Phone sits untouched on table. Camera holds the uncomfortable stillness for several seconds, showing the stasis of waiting for feeling to change. Melancholic lighting, static composition, deliberate emptiness. 12. Animated glucose molecules depleting from prefrontal cortex neurons during decision-making. Visual shows bright energy reserves at start of day gradually dimming as decisions accumulate. Ends with the cortex dimmed and limbic system glowing brighter in comparison. Scientific visualization with narrative arc, color-coded energy levels. 13. Time-lapse of the same person calling a friend over several weeks. First call shows visible anxiety, rigid posture. Second call shows slightly more relaxed body language. Third call shows natural conversation with gestures. Captures habituation of anxiety response through repeated action. Consistent framing, Natural home environment, visible progression. 14. Close-up of an amygdala region in the brain, glowing red with threat activation. Then shows the same region gradually cooling to blue as behavioral exposure continues. No danger materializes. Visual metaphor for anxiety habituation through experience rather than reasoning. Medical scan aesthetic meets abstract representation. 15. Final shot of neural pathways lighting up in coordinated sequence showing action preceding emotional response. Motor cortex fires first, then feedback loops to emotional centers, which light up second. Arrow graphics show the actual neurological sequence challenging the assumed motivation then action model. Clean educational style, authoritative scientific visualization, revelation.